Making nutritional choices during pregnancy is a critical journey for expectant mothers. What foods should be avoided to promote optimal brain development in your baby? This guide highlights 9 foods to steer clear of, focusing on their potential adverse effects and the vitamins you should prioritize instead. Firstly, consider watch raw fish, especially varieties high in mercury, like swordfish and shark. Mercury is detrimental to fetal brain development, potentially leading to cognitive impairments. Instead, opt for well-cooked fish that are low in mercury, such as salmon, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids essential for brain health. Next on the list is unpasteurized dairy. Consuming unpasteurized products can lead to infections like listeriosis, which poses a risk to both the mother and child. Choose pasteurized dairy options, as they provide calcium and vitamins like B12, crucial for brain function, without the risks. Processed meats are another category to avoid. These can contain harmful bacteria and preservatives. Instead, lean towards fully cooked meats rich in iron and zinc, both necessary for fetal brain development, ensuring you support cognitive growth. Excessive caffeine and artificial sweeteners should also be limited. High caffeine intake can negatively impact fetal brain development. Instead of caffeinated beverages, consider herbal teas like ginger or peppermint, which are safe and soothing. Next, avoid certain high-mercury shellfish. Like fish, some shellfish can contain high levels of mercury. Consuming shrimp and scallops, known for lower mercury levels, can provide necessary proteins and healthy fats. Additionally, steer clear of washed raw eggs. They pose a risk of salmonella, which could lead to severe complications. Instead, include cooked eggs in your diet, rich in choline, nutrient known to play a vital role in brain development. Another food to avoid is high-sugar foods. These can lead to excessive weight gain and gestational diabetes, affecting your baby's long-term cognitive health. Instead, focus on whole fruits that provide natural sugars along with essential vitamins. Avoiding trans fats is crucial as well. Found in many fried and processed foods, trans fats can impact fetal brain development negatively. Cook with healthy fats such as olive oil, which supports brain function with its antioxidants. Lastly, moderate your intake of high-sodium foods. Excessive salt can lead to high blood pressure and fluid retention. Instead, flavor your meals with herbs and spices to maintain a heart-healthy diet that benefits both you and your baby. By avoiding these 9 foods and replacing them with healthier options, you can foster optimal brain development in your baby. So what changes will you make today to support your little one's journey toward a bright future? Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in managing your health effectively. You can watch more of our videos somewhere here.